Today's repair is this little train doesn't like these points. So we have a look and we get it into focus and it's dirty and there's a gap, so you don't want to go that way. It wants to go straight ahead. So I had to go just there. Should be shiny all over. Also, some of these points not all points work the same way. Just there. These brass lockers, so when you push it over it keeps it that side, and just down there you can see and just a little thickness of dirt and it'll jump going across the points. So before you install track and points, make sure they're clean. And if you buy second-hand ones, then you might find somebody else has been putting some solder on, connecting wires on the inside, which is wrong. They should be connected on the outside or underside where you can't see it. Even these plastic pieces, if they're not smooth or they've got a nick out of them or they're kinked, raised, not in line with the track, train ain't gonna like it. And when you've got an oldie like this with little wheels, it don't like it even more. Also, if the connectors aren't right, so make sure your connectors are straight, sit right. See, that's a good one. there's many things that you can't see. So send an old train round like this and it will highlight all the problems on the track, so you don't derail coaches when you send something round like this one up here. Yeah. Right, here we go. And this one's going to go up the hill, so we're going to give it a little bit more. This one needs a new set of tyres on it. And the tyres come in all different sizes and widths. And if you get your speed and your weight's wrong, speed and weight. If your wheels aren't smooth running, then it's going to drag and it's going to wear out your rubber tyres on your drive wheels. And dirty track interferes with the electrical current. You may think the dirt will help it go around the track, but it's not that way. And look what we've got here. Screws in the track instead of pins. They said it's easy to remove, and I said, well, just put a lifting tool underneath and it will lift the pin, take the pin out. So you can actually take the pin out and put the pin back quicker than you can with a screw. And I'll prove it in a video. So these also cause carriages to uncouple. That's the word, uncouple. And screws muller, you like that word, muller the track like that. Right, so just there is the proper one, and that copper one is too high, and the old trains don't like it. But who am I to say on a joint venture? There's another one. See how high that is? And the inside of the wheels don't like it. They're coming back. Right.